Chapter 8 Hydroxy compounds. 8.4 Chemical properties of alcohols. At the end of this topic, students should be able to B. Explain the oxidation reaction with KMnO4 H+, Cr2O7 H+, CrO3 H+, and PCC CH2Cl2. Oxidation reaction. Oxidation of alcohol yields a carbonyl compound, aldehyde, ketone, or carboxylic acid. The process involves the removal of two hydrogen atoms, one from the carbonyl carbon and one from the hydroxyl group. The order of reactivity towards oxidation reaction is the most reactivity is the primary alcohol. Common oxidizing agents are the first pyridinium chlorochromate in dichloromethane with the formula of PCC in CH2Cl2. Second, potassium permanganate, KMnO4 H+ heat. The last one is chromic acid, H2CrO4 or CrO3H+, or Na2Cr2O7 H2SO4 or K2Cr2O7 H2SO4. Oxidation of primary alcohol. Primary alcohols can be oxidized to aldehyde or carboxylic acid by using a suitable oxidizing agent. Carboxylic acid can be obtained with a strong oxidizing agent such as KMnO4 or chromic acid. General reaction is primary alcohol treated with oxidizing agents such as KMnO4 H+ heat produce carboxylic acid. Oxidation of primary alcohol using PCC in CH2Cl2 will produce an aldehyde. General reaction is primary alcohol treated with PCC in inert solvent, which is CH2Cl2, produce aldehyde. Oxidation of secondary alcohol using any type of oxidizing agent, either strong or mild, will yield a ketone. General reaction is secondary alcohol treated with KMnO4 H+ and heat produce ketone. Oxidation of tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols cannot be oxidized. Tertiary alcohol structure. This is due to the absence of hydrogen atom at the carbonyl carbon. General reaction is tertiary alcohol treated either with KMnO4 H+ or PCC, thus no reaction occurred. Carbon with OH group is already bonded to the 3 carbon atom, thus unable to tertiary alcohol form the carbon O bond. To make it summary, primary alcohol example is ethanol treated with KMnO4 H+ heat, which is strong oxidizing agent, produce carboxylic acid, name is ethanoic acid. Ethanol treated with mild oxidizing agent, PCC in inert solvent CH2Cl2 will produce an aldehyde named ethanol. Secondary alcohol example is 2-propanol treated with camphor H plus heat or maybe PCC in inert solvent. It will form the product of ketone. The name is propanol. For the tertiary alcohol, example is 2-methyl-2-propanol treated either with KMnO4H plus heat or PCC in CH2Cl2, thus no reaction produced. Or the summary can be showing in the table. Class of the alcohol, reaction with oxidizing agent, and the product will be formed. Primary and secondary alcohols can be oxidized to carbonyl compound or carboxylic acid. In experiment, the observation will be observed when treated with potassium permanganate, KMnO4. The observation is purple color of KMnO4 turn to colorless and brown precipitate form. The compound is MnO2. Or if use chromic acid or Na2Cr2O7 or K2Cr2O7, the observation will be found is orange color of chromic acid changes to green. So, from the observation, when we write the equation, for example, for ethanol, when it treated with KMnO4 H plus heat, the color is purple. It will decolorize to form ethanol and brown precipitate form, which is MnO2. For secondary alcohol, example here is 2-propanol. The color of KMnO4 H plus, which is purple, it turns to colorless to form propanone and brown precipitate form MnO2. And for tertiary alcohol, which is 2-methyl-2-propanol, when treated with KMnO4 H plus heat, the color is purple. It remains unchanged because of no product formed. That's all. Thank you.